Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sliding rack. Start by choosing materials and sketching dimensions on paper. Measure twice and cut once to avoid waste. Select hardwood for strength or plywood for budget builds, and plan rail spacing for smooth travel. Mark out slots and pilot holes clearly. Keep fasteners and hardware organized, and prepare tools like a saw, drill, and clamps for efficient assembly and safe work. Measure and cut rails precisely to ensure smooth sliding action later. Use a miter or table saw for straight cuts and check square ends. Create rabbets or laps where rails meet to increase glue surface and strength. Dry fit all pieces before gluing or screwing, and sand contact faces to remove rough spots. Test a sample sliding piece to confirm clearance and make adjustments for noise reduction or binding. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with DIY budgeting and project planning. It gives clear ideas on saving and investing to fund projects like this sliding rack. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble components methodically, applying wood glue at joints and using countersunk screws for added strength. Clamp parts square and allow adequate cure time before handling to avoid shifted joints. Install stops to prevent over-travel and add small felt or nylon pads to reduce rattling. Finish surfaces with a clear coat or oil to protect against moisture. Check alignment frequently and adjust before final tightening to ensure smooth, long-lasting operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.